Today's video, we will see some of the important 1-mark question from chapter 2 polynomials. So the first question is, find the number of zeros of the graph y equal to p of x. So here the first sum is given like this. How will you find how many zeros are there for this polynomial? The graph of the polynomial y equal to p of x is drawn. How many zeros will be there? So we know this one is x-axis and this one is y-axis. Now the number of zeros is nothing but where the graph intersects the x-axis, that you have to find out. That will give you number of zeros. So the first sum, we can see a parabola. The graph of the quadratic polynomial is a parabola. It is open downward. Now how will you find the zeros? Number of points the graph intersect the x-axis. So here this is one point where the graph intersect the x-axis. This is another point. So the first one has got 2 zeros. Whereas for this graph, here it is intersecting. This point you should not count because this is y-axis and this is x-axis. You should count only the x-axis. So this is one point. This is another point and this is another point. So this graph intersect at how many points? 1, 2, 3. So you should not count on the y-axis. Now here this graph, this is a parabola which is open upward and this is intersecting at y-axis, not at the x-axis. So this has got no zeros, or number of zeros is, this has got no zeros for this graph. So the number of point graph intersect the x-axis will give you the number of zeros for the graph. Now the second question is, if the product of 0 of the polynomial is ax square minus 6x minus 6 is 4, find the value of a. We know the product of 0, the formula is c by a, or constant term divided by coefficient of x square. So you have to write the product of 0, formula, equate it to 4, then you will get the value of a. So here the constant term is given as minus 6, coefficient of x square is given as a, and in the question they have given the product of zeros is given as 4. So product of 0 is 4. Now equate, a is nothing but minus 6 by 4. A will go to the left hand side, 4 will come to the right hand side. So the answer is minus 3 by 2. So value of a is minus 3 by 2. Now the third question is, for what value of k minus 4 is the 0 of this polynomial? We know if minus 4 is the 0 of the polynomial, then if you substitute the value of 4 in this equation in the place of x, you will get 0. So let p of x, we will name this polynomial as p of x, x square minus x minus 2k plus 2. Now they have given minus 4 is a 0 of p of x. That means p of minus 4 will be equal to 0 because it is 0 of this polynomial. So whenever you substitute 4 in the place of x, you will get 0. So we will find out an value of k. So for this, minus 4 the whole square minus 4 minus 2k plus 2 equal to 0. This is nothing but 16, minus into minus plus 4 minus 2k plus 2 equal to 0. 16 plus 4 is 20, minus 2k plus 2 equal to 0. Now 2k plus 2 I can take to the right hand side, so it will become plus 2k plus 2. Now 2 is common, I will take outside that, equal to 20. So this is 20 by 2 is k plus 1, or k plus 1, 20 by 2 is 10. Therefore k is 10 minus 1. So value of k is 9. Now the fourth question is, if x plus a is a factor of 2x square plus 2ax plus 5x plus 10, find a. This is similar to the previous sum, but it is asked in a different way. We know that we will first name this polynomial. Let this polynomial be p of x, 2x square plus 2ax plus 5x plus 10. Now we know that if x plus a, we have studied the factor theorem in 9th standard. If x plus a is a factor of p of x, then I can write p of minus a will be 0. If in the place of x plus a, if I have x minus a, then I will write p of a equal to 0. But here the question is x plus a. So the answer will be, in the place of x you have to substitute p of minus a. So I am going to substitute 2 into minus a the whole square plus 2a into minus a plus 5 into minus a plus 10, and don't forget equate to 0. So this is 2a square, because minus into minus is plus this is minus 2a square, plus into minus is minus 5a plus 10 equal to 0. Definitely this and this will get cancelled. Now we have minus 5a equal to minus 10 plus 10. When I take to the right side, it will become minus a equal to minus 10 by minus 5, which is equal to 2. So the value of a is 2. Thank you for watching my video.